Presenting the 2008 BMW 5 Series. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. The sunroof lets fresh air in. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.